Which today we'll be building tip calculator. Basically, you enter an amount and it will generate how much tip you have to pay. So let's get started. Let's go to Android Studio, click new project, empty activity, and name it as time, finish. Okay, now go to the description. I'll be providing GitHub link of the code, copy and paste it. You will see like few errors, string errors, because you didn't need to import string, some of this string. Okay, so go to string.xml, have as values strings.xml. Here, replace the code that I have given in the description. So copy and paste it. And the errors will be gone. Now let's run it and test app. Okay. Now let's say I enter 100. The tip will be 15 because we are adding 15% of the actual amount every time. So if I give it a 50, it should be around 7 point something, 7.50. Yeah. So it's working fine. So this is the tip calculator. In the next video, we'll be doing it like custom percentage of tip. Okay. Thank you for watching.